Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have been making Instagram reels, you know how important timing is when it comes to keeping your audience engaged. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the duration of photos in your reels to make your videos flow just the way you want them. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Now let's first choose the photos. Tap on to the plus sign at the bottom. Now select the photos that you want to add. You can select as many photos as you would like. Just make sure they are all ready to go and tap on to next. Here Instagram automatically takes you to the music editing part. You can either choose the music or not, it's your choice. Then tap on to next. Here is the part edit video. Now tap on it. Here comes the fun part. Now we are going to adjust the duration of each photo in your reel. Tap on the photo. Now tap on to this part and slide it to your right. And it will easily make your photos up to 4 seconds. Now you can change the duration of the photo that however you want it to add. Just like this. Just don't forget, Instagram allows you the duration of photos from 0.5 seconds up to 4 seconds only. Now you can change the duration of the photo however you like. Next, tap on to the arrow at the top right corner. Now you can add music, text and effects to make your reel even more engaging. Here you can write a caption, add hashtags and then hit share to publish your reel. And that's how you change the duration of photos in Instagram Reels. It's a super simple way to control the flow of your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.